In this lesson, let's talk about how we represent multiplication in algebra. So when we do a multiplication, okay, so for example, if I want to take 3 times y, I'll just put them together, it will become 3y. If I have x times y, I'll just put them together, it becomes xy. Okay, so when you do a multiplication, you just put them together. So if I have 3 times 5 times y, okay, you can multiply the numbers together first. So 3 times 5 gives 15. 15 times y will be 15y. If I have 5 times x times y times z, it will give me 5x yz. Okay, so for multiplication, we just put the alphabets together if you are multiplying different alphabets together in algebra. But if you have a numbers, what we do, we will first multiply all the numbers together first. Okay, then we put it beside the letter, okay, when we want to represent multiplication in algebra. So when you see 15y, we know that it is actually just 15 times y.